Hello everybody! Today we will learn vegetables. Now open our box. Ta-da! Wow, how colorful! This vegetable is broccoli. Let's cut it. Now take the knife, just toy knife, and cut. Wow! Next, this vegetable is yellow pepper. Let it cut. Wow! Next, this is cabbage. Cut. Wow, so hot. Next vegetable is pumpkin, orange pumpkin. Next, this is corn, yellow corn. Ready? And next is this one. This is green cucumber. Yeah. Nice green sweet cucumber. Then next is this one, purple eggplant. That is cut. Okay, come here. Yeah, ready. Then next is potato. I like potatoes, and you? Hey, come here. Don't be afraid. Yeah, cut. Ready. Now this one. This vegetable calls onion. Some people cry when cut an onion. Yeah. Ready. The next is this one, red tomato. Yummy. That is cut. Yeah, ready. The next one is salad. Yes, we did it. And the last one is a carrot, orange sweet carrot. Come here, carrot. I will cut you. Yeah, ready. Wow, all these vegetables. They're so sweet and so useful. So eat them. Subscribe to our channel. Put like. And see you. Bye.